It's Chris O. What I'm doing here now is fitting these towel rails. They're going inside the shower, so I suppose I'll have to take the towels off when they're having a shower and then hang them up after they've dried themselves, I suppose, because the trouble is, in this ensuite there's no room for towel rails, so this is where they get them. One there, one there. What I've done, I've plumbed up here. That's where the screen's going. The screen is sitting on that line. That's plumb. I've made a mark up there, mark there. What I'm endeavouring to do is equal distance there and there. So it's going like that. So what you do, I always go to the line of my tile when I'm fitting towel rails. Right. Then you get your doodacky here and you set it up. It's going on that line and it's got to go between those two marks equally. I've made a dot there, that's where I drill. That's equal there. We're good. We're good to go, folks. I have a special bit that goes through porcelain. Oh, that's hot. These are a very hard tile, so I might get some water. And where is my squirty bottle? Must be in the other room. I've just changed my drill bit because it lasted 5 seconds and it's burnt out. Now we're cooking. Just got to go a little bit bigger if I can. Is that going to fit in? I like it. I like it. Pop that down there. A little bit of water is the key, I think. Chriso, I like your style. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Far out, that worked. Sometimes you can have a bit of trouble doing this shit, eh? I used to run a mile. I used to run a mile, but when you charge big time for something, well, you just do it. Okay, so what's the go with the screws? How come I've got different screws? I do not know. I don't know. I don't know if that'll do another 4 holes. I do not know. I'll have to see. Otherwise, I'll pick up, it's Friday, I'll pick up another drill or two over the week, over the weekend. Suckle, mate. Ooh. What have I got? So if I use a small one and a bigger one on each thingy squeedle, we'll be laughing. Oh! Bottom thingy doodle. Oh yeah. Oh, I might have to turn that over. Oh, I don't know. I'll see. Yes, I used to run a mile when it came to fitting these suckers. One time the tile was really hard, eh? God, I had trouble. And I didn't charge enough. I thought, oh yeah. Oh well, it was actually a Swapsy thing. He worked on my computer, that's right. Well, shit. Took him 5 minutes and it took me bloody ages and about $100 worth of bits. Anyway, you get that? Now, this will fit on if I have done it properly. Oh, look at that. Now all I do is screw that up. Now this I swear by. I don't buy online stuff all, eh? But I saw this one time and I thought, Jesus, that's got to be the go. It's an Allen key, but it's got a ratchet. so it works like a socket. Oh, way easier than using the Allen key. But what I have found with these types of towel rails, they come loose. Ooh, I like that. Now that is way better than using a bloody Allen key like that, and you're trying to bloody, and then you turn it, and then you got to put it back in, and you turn it, and you put it back in, and you turn it, and you put it back in. Well, stick it up your ass. That sucker is gold. Right, and then I'll put the other one up there. I'll come in at the same distance, but I won't measure. I'll plumb chum. My levels need a little bit of a clean, but the trouble is, once you start cleaning them with acid, it dulls everything, and then everything sticks. Oh shit. Everything even sticks worse. You know what I mean? So you sort of try and hold off a bit from acid washing them. Pull that out of there. Oh. Make a mark there. Make a mark there. Right, they are exactly in line because I've plumbed them up. Another way I could have done it is just measured out from a tile, because that's dead plumb as well. Piece of piss. So you centralise between those two marks there, give it a dot. Cool bananas. That's, yeah, that's in there. Yep, that's it. Right, I have 4 more holes to drill. Hopefully my bit, look at that, that's the first one. That's shit, eh? But I didn't use water. Crapolo. See you soon, people. Stay tuned. I'll put the toilet roll there. Toilet roll, yep. Okay, I've made a mark. Yep. We'll see you soon. I'll just drill these holes, come back to you. You've seen me drill the holes. so I don't have to do it again. I don't want to bore you. Bore, B-O-R-E, bore you. So I'll drill those. That's cool. See you soon.